My name is Taya and I'm from West Beach, from Generations Sunningdale campus. So my citizen, he said that he came across a lost dog and he was injured and he didn't know how to help it. So I created a retractable first aid kit. There's supposed to be hinges on here, but I didn't really know how to make it. There's compartments in here for your scissors and your tweezers and your cotton wool and first aid and whatever. And then in here, it's an X-ray scanner with an emergency button. It communicates through GPS and is powered by it. If I had to change something about this, I'd make a hinge first of all. And this is it falls around everywhere and it doesn't really connect to anything. So I'd have somewhere to hold it so that it's more secure. I always thought 3D printing would be something just that I never really knew how to create the actual objects and send it to the 3D printer, but I know now. It's much more complicated than what I thought it would be like, but it was a really nice experience. I learned new things that I didn't know I would know, and it was very educational but fun. The American Corners in the Library of Cape Town. In the beginning, I was very nervous because there was a lot of new people that I didn't know, and I'm quite shy, so. But in the beginning, over the past 3 weeks, I've grown to be comfortable with the people and to express my feelings, whatever, and not feel uncomfortable, and it was really nice.